10, 15 years ago when I started to work, I think there was a clear distinction between these two job roles. Because there were some guys who would build models, and then there were some guys who would be building the machinery around the model. Today, I think we are really at an inflection point that in few years, this distinction is going to be almost non-existent. There are a lot of toolkits which are enabling almost everyone to write their own models by writing like 50, 60 lines of code. Building the model is an art, yes, but I think everyone can do that with practice. One of the things which is a big stumbling block into the whole world of AI is that most of our AI remains on our laptop, our private clouds. They don't get to see the light of the day. And one of the reasons is because our teams are not trained to do it end to end. A lot of our AI scientists, they know how to write perfect model, but they don't know how to deploy it. Right? How do you pack it into a Docker to put it on a cloud so that everyone can use it? Right? The accuracy is only one metric, right? Is it scalable? Can it handle 1 million hits in a second? So I think that job, which was primarily thought about the software engineer, I think that the two worlds are kind of coming together. So I think maybe in the next few years, or maybe it's even happening now, that people are looking at what we used to call these T-shaped employees, right? Where you have the depth into one area, which may be like how to build models, but then you still know end-to-end thing that what does it mean to prepare data for AI, build the model, deploy the model. So that's what I would say. Right? I would say that maybe a few years ago, this distinction was there, but a few years down the line, that distinction might actually just go away. And we would just have like one term, right? Maybe like AI scientist,